Hello, welcome to CVCC Connect. I'm Media Technology Senior Manny Liotta.
And I'm CVCC Superintendent Dr. Celena Roebuck. In this episode, we'll tell you about our students building robots and pitching in to help feed the hungry.
But first, Logan Pulaski tells us about a project at CVCC that will continue to light up our campus for years to come.
The alternative energy industry is expanding, and CVCC students are working together to get the training they need to meet the demand for skilled workers. The Architectural and Mechanical Design class drew up plans for an energy park that the Electrical and Alternative Energy program will build. Electrical and Alternative Energy instructor Irene Ward says it will be a place that students and the community can go to learn about energy.
It has now become that the whole area now, we would like to encompass it to make it an area where we would like students like you, maybe you want to come out and do your films. Maybe you want to come out and have a picnic area, but you get to learn about renewable energy. You open up the house, you learn about energy efficiency. You do all of these things as a learning environment for the community.
Ward believes that projects like this are essential for the students' success.
Is it beneficial to the students? Absolutely, because then the students get real world. Instead of having to do a simulation or a mock-up or a test case or anything like this, they can see it go from bare earth to an entirely finished product that they can be extremely, quote, boasting and proud of.
Senior Jack Martin enjoys working on the energy park.
I think it's really cool just because getting that hands-on experience is sort of a hard thing to get, and having it in such a friendly, accessible environment, and just sort of having it be relaxed, and I'm not going to a big monstrous wind tower and just afraid to make mistakes. Here I feel safe about learning.
They hope to have the energy park completed by spring of 2016. Logan Pulaski, CVCC Connect.
I'm looking forward to seeing the completed energy park.
It is a great space that now CVCC students can enjoy, but even more young primary students can come to CVCC to learn how alternative energy saves money as well as preserves our planet for years to come. Thanks to the construction and engineering talents of our own CVCC students, it's going to be a great place for our school and our community to come together. We've heard the expression, robots are the future, but robots are here and performing a number of human functions. Now students at CVCC are creating and programming robots to perform simple tasks. The future is now in our CVCC classrooms.
Teaching professions instructor Josephine Everhart is taking her robotics program on the road.
Currently we're working with some students here at Cuyahoga Valley Career Center, and they're working more on their 21st century skills. We cover the science standards, we cover technology standards, and 21st century skills.
As part of the multi-million-dollar Ramtech grant, CVCC bought robot kits that can be used to teach a variety of lessons. The CBI, or Career-Based Intervention Program here at CVCC, was the first to use the robots.
They're doing a lot of problem solving and troubleshooting. The kids completed the entire robot. They took a robot kit, the Clawbot kit. They took it from just a box, which is this, just the box. They took it from a box and nothing but a bunch of pieces to something that looks like this, which is their robot.
The students find working with robots rewarding.
My favorite part of it, it could be any part of the process. It's when they finally have done something and have done it correctly and it's working. Whether it's putting, two pieces of metal together, or it's putting the gears on, or it's dealing with the claw programming. My favorite part of the entire process is seeing the kids get it, seeing the kids' sense of pride.
The robots can be reused as Mrs. Everhart takes them to other schools.
We do have to take them apart because these kits will be used inside the mobile van, and that's what we're going to be taking to our associates' schools.
Look for the Ramtech trailer out on the road, as Mrs. Everhart could be taking her mechanical friends to your school. Donnie Scusa, CVCC Connect.
CVCC's Ramtech Classroom on Wheels is ready to roll to any of our CVCC schools to teach VEX robotics right now. We have a written curriculum for a 15-day unit which encompasses science and technology standards at each grade level. Our students never cease to amaze me with their creations, and now to improve science and technology skills on top of having fun, undeniable. If you're interested in bringing these robots to your home school, contact our Executive Director, Joe Dannemiller.
CVC students organize many charity events throughout the entire year. Our students are filling the stomachs and hearts of hungry people all around the world.
CVCC feeds the hungry. Cuyahoga Valley Career Center students do many fundraisers throughout the year, but Stop Hunger Now is one of the bigger ones. Architectural Mechanical Design seniors Dan Obel and Monica Kottnick started this fundraiser at CVCC last year and are hoping it continues on for a long time. Dan says it was a lot of work to raise the money for the food.
Personally, Monica and I, we went around to football games, volleyball games, different organizations asking for money, and we did dress down days, and then lastly was open houses, school open houses.
Monica says it's an international effort.
It's taken all over the world, primarily Africa, Middle East, and Central American countries. We don't know ahead of time where it's going, but often we do receive feedback.
Stop Hunger Now program manager Andrew Mozart tells you how you can get involved.
StopHungerNow.org is our website. If someone wants to provide financial assistance to the organization, they could do that. Putting together a meal packaging event with your church, with your school, at your workplace, we do all those events. So they could just contact me. I'm the program manager for Stop Hunger Now Pittsburgh. My contact info is on the site.
CVCC students are making a difference one meal at a time. Casey Cruel, CVCC Connect.
It makes me feel great knowing that our students are making a difference. Thank you for watching CVCC Connect. Join us next time to hear about the grand opening of our new Ramtech edition, a chance for one of our students to become a U.S. presidential scholar, and a couple power equipment technology students who won top honors in a nationwide competition. For more information about our school, visit our website, www.cvccworks.edu.
I'd like to thank my co-host Manny and all the students of the Media Technology class for making this show possible. I'm Dr. Roebuck. See you next time on CVCC Connect.